Welcome to the GreenApp application. GreenApp, Smart Irrigation Valve. Enable Bluetooth on your mobile device and wait until the controller appears in the list of devices. Select the valve you want to connect to. The valve is available. The application will only function when the valve is available. Setting initial passcode. After the initial entry, the passcode is stored in the mobile device memory. Choose program type. Weekly program is used to open the valve on predefined days of the week. Cyclical program is used to open the valve on every predefined day. Setting of irrigation cycle defines the number of days between irrigation cycles. Choice of irrigation days per week. The hours and minutes may be selected by scrolling up or down to set the duration of the irrigation. At what time would you like the valve to start operating? The valve can be opened up to 4 times a day. Enter the hour that you would like to start irrigating. An error can be corrected by pressing Remove. To approve the programming, review the settings and then approve the program. If there is an error, you may press Cancel to erase the entire program. Seasonal adaptation. An option exists to save water by reducing the irrigation time during the rainy months. Overview. The upper part of the screen indicates the next scheduled opening of the valve, including a button for manual start. On the remainder of the screen appears a summary of the defined programs and the seasonal percentage. Manual operation start. It is possible to override the program and to turn on the valve immediately. Choose the irrigation duration. After the valve is activated, it may be stopped by pressing on the Stop button. To return to the valve list, press the valve icon that appears in the upper left part of the screen. The names assigned to the valves may be changed by pressing the Edit button, Pencil, to the right of each valve. If you have changed the position of the mode selector located on the valve to the Open mode to the left and manually opened the valve, it is necessary before attempting to control the irrigation via the application to first move the selector to the Close position to the right, and then to the Auto position, Control mode through the application, middle of the ring, to prevent the valve from remaining open. GreenApp, Smart Irrigation Valve.